Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to review the top 5 electric brush cutters available to buy this year. To know more about electric brush cutters, follow the links in the description. Let's get started. Airbike Multi-Purpose Brush Cutter. The Airbike Upgraded Multi-Purpose Brush Cutter is a versatile gardening tool that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. The tool features a more advanced pure copper brushless motor, which provides better energy efficiency and a longer lifespan of up to 10 years. This brush cutter comes with a circular saw blade for cutting shrubs and a flat blade for trimming weeds and edges. It has a long battery life of about 70 minutes, making it perfect for extended use. The lightweight design of just 3.3 pounds makes it suitable for women, the elderly, and other people who may find heavier tools difficult to handle. Additionally, the tool has a comfortable and safe design with a curved handle that is ergonomically designed and features a safety switch button, making it difficult for children to open. The battery is also compatible with other airbike equipment, such as an electric chainsaw, pruner, pressure washer, and electric screwdriver, providing users with a universal battery solution. The tool comes with 2 wrenches for replacing the blade, and users are advised to wear gloves due to the sharpness of the blades. PowerSmart DB2501 Brush Cutter. If you are looking for an efficient and easy-to-use brush cutter, then the PowerSmart DB2501 brush cutter is an excellent choice for anyone. This is a versatile tool designed for trimming yards, townhouse lots, flower beds, walkways, and patios. Its 10-brush cutter blade and a 13-string trimmer offers 2 options for cutting and trimming. The brush cutter operates at a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM 7,000 RPM, making it efficient in handling tough vegetation. Powered by a 40V 4.0 PowerSmart lithium battery, the trimmer can run up to 35 to 50 minutes on a fully charged battery. It also comes with an adjustable shoulder strap that provides maximum comfort and control, reducing operator fatigue during use. The brush cutter is designed with a safety guard to prevent debris from splashing, ensuring working safety and increasing operating efficiency. The 0.065-inch line auto feed head enables quick and easy line advancement, and the bottom L-shaped blade can be rotated 180 degrees to change the cutting width from 12 inches to 13 inches. The PowerSmart DB2501 brush cutter comes with a blade, 4.0 battery and charger, auxiliary handle assembly, safety guard, 2x spools, user manual, and a 2-year warranty. APUSIP Cordless Brush Cutter. The APUSIP Cordless Brush Cutter is an excellent option for anyone who wants a powerful and efficient trimming tool. Equipped with 2 large-capacity 36V 4000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, this brush cutter can run for up to 60 minutes on a single charge. With multiple blades including plastic blades for soft grass, a metal blade for weeds and small branches, and manganese steel round saw blades for thicker brushes and branches, this trimmer is versatile and efficient. The Weed Eater battery trimmer is designed with multiple safety features, including a safety lock button to prevent accidental starts. Additionally, the adjustable machine head can be converted into an edger in seconds, making it perfect for trimming hard-to-reach areas. The cordless string trimmer is lightweight, weighing only 2.6 pounds, and the stainless steel telescoping pole can be adjusted to fit your height for better control and comfort. Included in the package are 2 large-capacity lithium batteries, a charger, multiple blades, a wrench, a screwdriver, and a spare blade base. Overall, this cordless brush cutter is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a powerful, efficient, and versatile trimming tool. Litholeaf 40-volt brush cutter. The Litholeaf 40-volt brush cutter is a versatile and powerful tool that offers many benefits. With its cordless design, you can easily maneuver it around trees, shrubs, and pavement cracks without the hassle of tangled wires. The battery-powered motor ensures a quiet and fume-free operation, making it ideal for various tasks. The brushless motor generates higher torque and offers variable speed control through the trigger, making it faster and more efficient. The trimmer features dual-line bump feed with strong and durable 0.080 diameter twisted line, making it perfect for trimming overgrown grass. The 14 swath and 16 spool length provide adequate line length and coverage. You can also convert it into a brush cutter by installing a blade, making it suitable for cutting thick bushes and tall grass. The tool has a larger trimmer guard for added user safety and comfort. The aluminum tube is foldable and can be adjusted to your preferred height, and the auxiliary handle can be secured for maximum comfort. Litholy offers a 5-year warranty on the tool and a 3-year warranty on the battery and charger, making it a safe and reliable purchase. Sanchen 42-volt brush cutter. The Sanchen 42-volt brush cutter is an incredibly versatile tool with 3 tools in one, including a bump feed head of line, bilateral metal blade, and circular saw blade. The digital brushless motor runs at 8,000 revolutions/min, providing more torque and higher performance power. It has 2 to 3 times longer operation life than ordinary engines, making it a powerful and long-lasting tool. Equipped with a 42 V6Ah battery and charger, this brush cutter can handle up to 1/2 acre of yard. With 3-speed control, the lowest speed can be used for up to 45 minutes, while the battery reaches maximum power storage capacity after being fully used 1 to 2 times. The extra long cutting path of 12 inches in 0.1 to 5 inches line can handle soft grass, while the 8-inch diameter saw blade and metal blade can tackle branches, shrubs, and small trees. With an overall length of 60 inches and a weight of 6.6 ounces, this brush cutter is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with an adjustable shoulder strap for added comfort. The bump feed spool and manganese steel blades make for easy and efficient cutting. Thanks for checking out our review of the best electric brush cutters. Use the links in the description for more information on the products mentioned. Thanks again for watching.